In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your oil on a Nissan Sentra. Let's get started. First, I'm going to go ahead, open my hood, and make my way to the engine bay. First, I'm going to pop the dipstick up and pop the oil cap off. This is to allow quicker flow of the oil while it's draining. Put it aside. Now that we've raised and supported our vehicle, we're going to make our way to our oil pan. As you can see, we have a 14mm bolt on here. We're going to go ahead and remove that and get our collection bucket ready. Now we're going to go ahead, I'm going to start threading on my bolt. Now that it's snug, I'll be torquing this to 25 foot-pounds. Now we're going to go ahead and clean any oil off the oil pan. I'll be using some brake clean and a rag. Now we're going to move along to our oil filter. I'll be using some oil filter pliers to remove it. I'm going to be turning counterclockwise. Remember to get your collection receptacle ready. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our new oil filter. We're going to prime this with some new motor oil. We're going to get some of that new oil and along the O-ring, lubricate it. This ensures a proper seal. Now we're going to clean our mounting surface. A rag will do perfectly fine. And now we're going to install our oil filter. Tighten it until it's snug. Now we're going to clean our surrounding areas. I'll be using some brake clean as well. Now that our vehicle is back on the ground, we're going to go ahead and put the dipstick back in the tube. Now we're going to refill the engine oil. I'm using a funnel. You're going to want to fill this with 4.2 quarts of the manufacturer specified oil. Now we're going to remove our funnel. Top off if necessary. Thanks for watching. Now that our oil is in our engine, you're going to want to go ahead and start the vehicle. Look under the vehicle, make sure there's no leaks or anything abnormal. Then, after a minute or two, recheck the dipstick. You want the oil at the H high mark. So yeah, after that, take it for a drive, and that's it. Thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.